We might get the roles of Workday functional consultants. We might get roles of Workday testing consultants. We might get roles of Workday reporting consultants, Workday integration consultants. And at some point of time, we also get something like Workday conversion consultants. Conversion is something like whenever you're doing any fresh new implementation, you have to load the data. So whatever the client, let's say now TCS is using SAP. Now from 2021 Jan, they want to go with Workday. Now they have to take all this data and load it into Workday effective next year. So what they can do is they can use a conversion consultant help, where that person will be the right person who will gather the information, who will gather the data and try to load the data into Workday. So loading of the data will always happen. A lot of data, it's not like small data. Lot of data needs to be loaded in any implementation project. So where your conversion consultant will always play a very important role. That's a conversion consultant, but those roles are less. But moreover, you have more like functional integrations, reporting, testing. All these roles exist. Even you have Workday security roles. You have Workday payrolls. If you know Workday payroll, that role will be there. Recruiting consultant, specific to recruiting consultant will be there. So all these roles exist for Workday. Okay. So let me take a pause and ask you if you have any questions.
Hey, then I have. Would that cover all these roles or anything in specific?
Yes, it covers every role, what I'm covering, like Workday functional. If you are specialized in core HR and recruitment functional, which I thought, you can go as a Workday functional consultant. If you are well specialized in reporting, you can go as a reporting consultant. And testing is something like what you test, like for example, hiring of an employee, terminating an employee. That's what we are going to do. So every functional guy will always test it. But what few clients, like for example, more of the clients in UK, they ask for testing consultants because they don't want that data to be given to some companies like Deloitte or Accenture, which are implementing. So they separately hire people only for testing for, let's say, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months. They test it, and after testing is done, they relieve those guys. So definitely testing is again part of a functional role. If you know functional roles specialized, then you can always be a testing person. Yes, we are going to cover all these particular roles.
And how long is the duration? For the course, how
duration
many weeks?
Would be like 4 to 5 weeks. So mostly we will try to cover in 4 weeks, but again, if there is any delay, then we will try to take it to the 5th week.
So this is only on Saturdays and Sundays, or
No, this is daily.
Every day.
Certifications, but the thing is, we cannot do certifications from outside. So what happens is, like when Workday as a company have formed it and they have developed this product, they have taken some partnership with few companies. Let's say the Workday partner companies are Deloitte, Accenture, IBM, KPMG, Elite, okay, and NGA. If at all you are in US, you have NGA. Then now recently CTS is again a partner. So what happens is only these partner companies can propose any person to certification. But let's say you're out of these partner companies and then you want to do certification, it's not possible. But the criteria is, if at all you have learned this course anywhere, you can be a support consultant. You're free to do support roles. So no one will stop you there. But if you want to implement a project in Workday, you have to definitely be an Workday certified consultant, and certification is there for every module. Not that you do one certification and you can support every module. No. For example, you are certified in core HR. You are only allowed to implement core HR module. If you are certified in payroll, you are allowed only to implement payroll, not any other module. That way, because these companies and Workday have close relationship, the clients and Workday, they can always go and validate, saying that, okay, this Dana is assigned to implement payroll module, and then they can cross-check my name with Workday, saying that if this person have certification or not. If Workday says that yes, this person have certification, then client is fine. If not, they can raise a case on me. That's something like that. Yeah.
So when we look out for jobs in Workday, do they ask for certification if we have
No,
any?
mostly, let me ask you whether you're based in India or US?
US.
Okay, in US, you have plenty of jobs. Okay, plenty of jobs on Workday, and they may not ask for certification because, again, the point here is most of the implementation are already done. Workday have started long back. Now, most of the projects are support projects. even whether you're in US or India. So most of the roles that are coming right now are support roles. So you can go, you can give an interview, you can prove yourself and start working on support projects. Scientific questions in interviews. And on our daily basis, the first 5 to 10 minutes will be dedicated only for questions. So whenever I start any session, the first thing is I'll just ask if you guys have any question from the previous sessions. Once those questions are clarified, then we will move on to the regular sessions. Until then, it's like we will try to take every question, whoever gets it, whether it's simple, complex, whatever it is. And interview questions will always be discussed in the classes. And moreover, I will be asking questions on the completed topics, so that even I need to understand whether you guys are following, or if there is any gap or anything. So, but